Hey YouTube! In today's video, I'm reveal the secret method how to get unlimited amount of stars and coins for free using this amazing Gardenscapes hack. This hack method works perfectly on iPad, Android, iPhone. No matter what mobile device you use, you will be able to do it. No jailbreaker or computer needed. I tested it myself, and it works without any problem. The resource is delivered directly to my account. Let's get started. First, make sure your game is updated to the latest version. If you're using an iPhone, head to the App Store to check for available updates. For Android users, visit Google Play Store and verify that the button says Open. If it says Update, you'll need to install the latest version before proceeding. Then open your preferred web browser and go to this page. As you can see, you will find many hacks for mobile apps and games here, each offering amazing features. But let's focus on the topic of our guide. Search for Gardenscapes and just click on it. You can use the search bar located at the top of the page to find it quickly. After that, you will see a page with some information about the hack. To start injection, just click on that orange button. After confirming your selection, the website will begin injecting the mod. The duration of this process may vary depending on your internet connection speed and device performance. In most cases, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the modification has been successfully applied to your device and is ready for use. However, there may be one final step required. Depending on your device model and operating system, you may need to verify your account. This step ensures that only legitimate users can access the hack. The last step is simple and quick. Additionally, a video tutorial will help you through the process. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete it as quickly as possible. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll skip it here and come back once my verification is complete. Alright, I'm back. It only took a few minutes, which I think is quite reasonable and definitely worth it. Once you complete all the required steps, the entire process will be complete and you will receive your resources. Now, just launch the game and enjoy unlimited resources. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. If so, be sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more great content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below to let me know how this trick worked for you. Thanks for watching, have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.